Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a fantastic protein powder, you have to check out Orgain's chocolate protein. I absolutely love the Orgain product. I've used their protein powders for a long time, ever since they launched. They have this new sport one and it has more protein, and I really enjoy that. I also like that this is a plant-based protein. It's easy to blend. I use a blender here, but I also have it in my shaker cup with the ball, and it blends up really nice. Most importantly, it tastes good. If you've been eating a lot of protein powders as well, you'll know that they are not all created equal. And Orgain makes a truly delicious chocolate protein. You can see the color here. I would say it's on the milk chocolate side. It's not super heavy chocolate flavored. It tastes delicious. It blends well. It has everything that you need, and I like the clean ingredients as well. So if you're looking for a great protein powder, get this one. And that's my point of view.